Hey everyone, it's JoJo and welcome to a Beyblade Burst Battle. Today we have Hazard Kerbeus 7 Atomic versus VISE Leopard 12 Lift Destroy. So which Beyblade has the bigger set of jaws? VISE Leopard or the 3 jaws of Hazard Kerbeus? We'll just have to see. First to 5 will be the winner. 3, 2, 1, go. And we got a point to Hazard Kerbeus for the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go. And not looking good for VISE Leopard. Another point to Hazard Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, go. It doesn't look like VISE Leopard is chomping down hard enough. That is 3 in a row for Hazard Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, go. And this might be a complete sweep by Hazard Kerbeus. Another point. It only needs one more to win. This is the last chance for VISE Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. And it is a complete sweep by Hazard Kerbeus, your clear winner for this battle. That battle was a little bit too short, so let's do the thing and switch up the parts. So Hazard Kerbeus now has 12 Lift Destroy, and VISE Leopard now has 7 Atomic. But let's do something different with the Lift frame. Let's switch it up, let's change the modes, and see how Hazard Kerbeus can handle this new frame. So next set of battles. 3, 2, 1, go. And VISE Leopard doing pretty good. 1 point. 3, 2, 1, go. Finish! Wow, he really chomped down on Hazard Kerbeus. That is 2 points. So the score is 3-0. 3, 2, 1, go. This might be a sweep by VISE Leopard. It only needs one more to win. 3, 2, 1, go. And again, we got a sweep by VISE Leopard. So last time Hazard Kerbeus did the sweep, and now it is VISE Leopard. So maybe it's just the parts that are different or that makes the Beyblade better. Alright, so what did you guys think about this battle? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time with more Beyblade Burst. See you soon.